roses too, I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white.
Ooh, somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby.
Truly love the mademoiselle, and now the young monsieur and madame have rung the chapel bell. C'est la vie, say the old folks, it goes to show you never can tell.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Less than 1 minute. Oh, I never thought through love with me, making one as lovely as she. But isn't she lovely, made from love?
I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl.
She's crazy like a fool.